Grace College of Engineering, Thuthukudi, Computer Science and Engineering Department, Digital Systems Laboratory for second year CSE Department, third semester. Exercise number 4A, that is 4-bit adder and subtractor. Aim to design and implement 4-bit adder and subtractor using basic gates. Apparatus required IC 7483, XOR gate, NOT gate, IC trainer kit and patch cords. Here we are adding the 4-bit binary adders. Then you will get the output. According to that, subtractor also separately done. Then you can combine that binary adder and subtractor. Then you will get the output. This is a pin diagram for adder. That is IC 7483 is used here. See, the pins are here. There is a 16 pins are there. VCC, 5th pin is for VCC and 12th pin for ground connection. This is a logic diagram for adder only. 4-bit input we are giving, 2 inputs, so A4, A3, A2, A1, that is one input, and B4, B3, B2, B1, this is another one input. Previous carry you are giving, that is C is equal to 0. Then output, there is a output carry and the output value, that is a sum value, S4, S3, S2, S1 will be there. VCC for 5 and ground 12. Like this way, there is a 4-bit binary subtractor. This is a circuit diagram, and then combining that adder and subtractor, that is a diagram of this. Let us implement this in the laboratory.
Let us see the implementation of binary adder. According to the pin configuration, all the connection is given here. See, this is C, that is carry. Previous carry is fixed as a 0. The next two binary values we are going to add. These four, this is A4, A3, A2 and A1. These four is one binary value. And next B4, B3, B2 and B1. These four is another one binary value. In the right side, there is a output. Carry, first one is a carry value, and then next S4, S3, S2 and S1. Let us verify the truth table. First this is fixed as a 0, then 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, right? Then next for B2, B4, 0, 0 and B2 1. B1 0. Let us check the output here, S4 and S2. We got the output correct. We have successfully verified the truth table.
This is 4-bit binary subtractor logic diagram. IC 7483 is used for this subtractor.
Implementation of 4-bit binary subtractor using digital IC trainer. Here we use two ICs. First one IC 7483 and this is IC 7404. According to the pin configuration, all the connection is given. These are the input connection. First one is carry. It is always fixed to 1, right? The next, these are the output lines. Let's check the truth table. First I am giving, this is A4, A3, A2 and A1, two binary values. This is one. The next B4, B3, B2, B1, right? First one I am taking, that is 1, 0, 0, 0. Then B4 0, B3 also 0, B2 is 1. And B1 is 0, right? So our output is borrow 1 and D3 and D2. This is borrow 1, D3 and D2 will be 1. So So this is correct. The truth table is verified successfully.
4-bit binary adder or subtractor. Both is given in one single logic diagram. Here we use IC 7483 to do both the adder and subtractor. Here see the mode. If the mode is 0, then we can do addition. If the mode is 1, then we can do subtraction.
Implementation of 4-bit binary adder or subtractor using digital IC trainer kit. Here we use two ICs, IC 7486 this is, and this is 7483. This is mainly used for adder. Okay. Here we use 4 bits. First one is for carry. Okay. If we press 0, then the mode will be addition. If we connect 1, then the mode will be for subtraction. Okay. Then this is A4, A4, A3, A2, A1. This is one number, then one binary value, then this one B3, B4, B3, B2, B1, right? Then next, these are outputs. Here the output carry is here, first one, and then S4, S3, S2, S1. According to the pin configuration, we have given the connections. Let us verify the truth table. First I am checking addition. So mode is 0, first one. Okay. The next, for A4, I am giving 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, right? The output is, see, this is a output. So truth table is successfully verified.
Thus we have implemented 4-bit binary adder subtractor successfully and verified the truth table. Thank you.